worked in almost every domain before deciding finally that I would love to get into a sort of a general management.
Welcome on board. We are here with Tulika and she comes from IIM Indore. And the best part is she comes from the integrated program that is, through IPMAT entrance exam, people give BBA plus MBA. I think that's one of the most challenging and the most competitive exam to crack in beating right after your 12th standard. So, super congratulations to you, Tulika, for that and welcome on board.
Thank you for having me.
So, Tulika, how was this 4 years at IIM Indore been for you?
I guess that being a roller coaster will be the most correct explanation of it because see, I was actually appearing for engineering after my 12th, and every plan that I had was about engineering. So suddenly, I just received an intimation from IIM Indore that I have actually cleared IPM and I'm selected for interview.
Wow.
Before that, I had no idea about management. I had no idea or no plans of going into MBA in the first place. Eventually, I cleared interview also, and it was the best experience. We get to study so many subjects. We get to have a very diverse peer group, and most of all, we get introduced to a lot of career options. Like after engineering, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be having these many options, career options. Like here, I can go into banking, I can go into marketing, or I can even end up going into filmmaking or something like that. The options are endless, the avenues are endless, and it's a really nice place to explore myself and my strengths.
Lovely. So, where are you originally from, Tulika?
Yeah, so I'm originally from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh itself. So I was kind of used to the environment of Indore, the food habits. So it was just kind of easy for me to get in there.
That's lovely. That's nice. And it must be good to, you have home also close by if you ever want to go by.
Yeah,
That's very
yes, yes,
nice.
it's very handy because like at times you just crave for home food and homemade food, and you can just have.
That's lovely. I'm sure in that 4 years, like you mentioned, it's such a roller coaster. You go through all of these things. So, what has been the most memorable experience you've had in the 4 years?
Yes, I don't have like the most memorable experience for me would be actually not in the college, but my personal interview for IPM
Okay.
because this was the first time ever that I was facing an interview and I was sitting in front of this esteemed panel of IIM Indore professors, and I was just a 12th as a student,
Yeah.
a standard student. I had no idea. I had no idea about my strengths. I was not very sure what I want to do. So it was the most unique experience, and experience was actually taught me a lot of things about myself and where I would like to see myself.
That's lovely, and I think that's really very important. The point which you mentioned, right after your 12th, there's so much competition. You have preparing for people are preparing for JEE, people are doing different things, NEET, and all of them, and then comes this IPMAT exam, which is very competitive. And because there's so many people and so limited seats out there, so how did you go about with this whole preparation for yourself?
So for preparation, to be honest, I was actually preparing for JEE Advanced. So my whole quant section was actually covered through that only. And for normal communication and the verbal ability part, I just like had a few mock tests to get the general idea of how to do about verbal ability, and pretty much that's it. I actually had no external books or coaching material. It was just the JEE preparation that kind of helped me clear the IPMET.
Lovely. So, do you ever regret the fact that I should have cracked JEE? I would have been at IIT?
No, actually, I don't because after coming here and after like having a lot of new experiences with various people and about my strengths and everything, I kind of figured out that maybe engineering and technical field is really not what I would love to get into.
That's lovely. That's so sweet and that's so honest, when you're saying that technical, because nowadays half of the engineers also end up going to an MBA and they have to go through the tougher
Yes.
challenge of giving CAT and getting in. So, how was this transition for you? Like, initially after 12th, you go in as for the BBA. and then you interact with the MBA students who are coming after giving this exam, and some come with work experience and all of them. So does that ever create some complex feeling, or how do you work with them?
It's actually not a complex, but the exact opposite of it, because they bring in so much experience of the job world or the world out there, or the degree, or the experience that they
Hmm.
have from their previous degrees. It just adds a lot to the classroom discussion as well as the general discussion that you will have, because there is just so much knowledge out there, and having so many talented people around me makes me just like, oh, I just want to know more and curious about everything, and it's the environment kind of helps in like knowing.
That's lovely. That's really interesting. It's a very positive environment all throughout.
Yes.
So, like when did you start deciding? Like, since you said you have so many options where you can choose. Once you get into IIM Indore, you can go into fashion, you can go into filmmaking, you can go into marketing. So, what all things did you love doing, and what made you choose where do you want to go ahead next?
So, in the first 3 years since I was in this program, I had figured out that I actually have no idea about management, and I would like to know a lot before making any decision. What I started doing was I started doing virtual internships, work from home internships all throughout the terms. I have
Wow,
worked with like more than 10 startups, closely
that's
with the
amazing.
startup founders. So I was like, I have worked in almost every domain
Hmm.
before deciding finally that I would love to get into a sort of a general management plus a product management kind of role, which was the role in my previous internship, and I enjoyed it immensely. So I guess that is where I would like to move forward with.
That's lovely. So you do get the opportunity to do a lot of virtual internships, and I
Yes.
think the being from IIM Indore gives you a lot of advantage. You get the brand value, and you can get good roles and
Yes.
profiles to explore. That's
Yes, it
interesting.
surely helps a lot because branding.
That's lovely. So you did so many internships with all the startups. So what was the most important piece of learning? Like a lot of people always end up saying, "I don't want to work with startups. I want to work with bigger brands." So do you think it's actually beneficial to work with startups?
The best part of working with a startup is the role flexibility. You can be very frank with the founder or whoever your mentor is. You can
Hmm.
tell them that I would love a role which is a mixture of these domains. And they will just create a role like that for you. So I
Correct.
had so much flexibility with the amount of assignment that I could get. And I was able to learn a lot, which I assume is not possible in a big brand,
Hmm.
because big brands focus on a single domain and a single post that you are given. You cannot just move around the company and try everything that is going around.
Correct, correct. That's really nice. That's very true. You get a lot of freedom to explore and voice your ideas as well. Also, I mean, you're not considered as someone who's just a new intern or out there. So that's really nice.